I was not sleeping well at all. I had enormous bags under my eyes. I actually lost weight because of it. I lost like 25 pounds in a week. It's serious stuff. It's like you said, like anxiety and stress are a killer. And when it comes to your children and you're worrying about what's going to happen to them because some, outside agency thinks they knows everything and they don't, it's worrisome. So when we were searching through all the reviews of the other attorneys, there was only, maybe 30 or 40 good reviews for the other attorney, and they weren't even about DCF casework. It was about numerous other things, car accidents and insurance claims. That's stuff that, we were not interested in. We wanted reviews on DCF casework, and that's all Attorney Seaver focuses on is DCF casework. And that's what we got with him, a great DCF attorney. So yeah, when we first hired Attorney Seaver, he gave us his personal cell phone number so we could contact him anytime, day or night. And that really put my mind and my wife's mind at ease, because we'd be sitting there not sleeping and talking amongst ourselves and arguing about, what to do, what to not to do. And we could contact Attorney Seaver and he would put our minds at ease, which was a great thing to have. Not every attorney does that. I actually don't know any other attorney that gives you their personal cell phone number where you can contact them day or night, anytime, doesn't matter, and he'll answer the phone for you. Attorneys that I've hired in the past, they never gave me their personal cell phone number. It was amazing to have Attorney Seaver's personal cell phone number so we could contact him night or day with any question that we had. His plan 1 through 10 worked out amazing. When we spoke to Attorney Seaver about, what to say to the DCF investigator when she contacted us for the meeting, told us what to say, and we felt so much better instead of going in there blindly, not knowing what to say to them and what to say. Our children, he also spoke to them before the investigator. They did great. They loved Attorney Seaver. They really connected well with Attorney Seaver. My kids are pretty shy with new people, and they bonded quickly, and they most importantly entrusted Attorney Seaver and what to say, and they did great. The results are unsupported. That's what we wanted, and that's what it led to. Following Attorney Seaver's plan worked out great for me and my family, and I can't thank him enough. If you are hanging on the fence and you're thinking about hiring an attorney or thinking about doing it yourself, you really should consider hiring Attorney Seaver. Because I was the same way. I was being, difficult about, wanting to venture off and look for attorneys or even hire one. But, the more time I spent thinking about it and the more people I talked to, it wasn't looking good for me and myself and my family. I didn't want to gamble. I didn't want to do that with my family. They mean the world to me. I know they probably mean the world to you. You should really go for the best. Read the reviews. They speak for themselves. Attorney Seaver specializes in DCF. He will help you 110, 20% communication. He's there. Other attorneys take days to call you back. He gives you a personal cell phone number. You can't compete with that. And he'll do whatever it takes to make it unsupported. And you can't do it without him. If you think you can, you're gambling, and that's not a good thing. You need something solid, and Attorney Seaver is solid, and that's my opinion. A couple weeks ago, I went from not eating, not sleeping, as we made contact with Attorney Seaver, I started to feel better. I started to feel more confident. When we got the unsupported decision, that was just mind-blowing. I was like, wow, that really just happened that fast. Attorney Seaver goes above and beyond. Attorney Seaver, he's there, gives you the tools. He communicates with you day and night. Attorney Seaver is the best, 120 million% the best. No one does it quite like he does. No one does it like Attorney Seaver does. So if you're hanging on the fence still, think again. You need an attorney. You need the best one. And that's Attorney Seaver.